Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have forgotten your Cash App PIN or want to change it for extra security, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to reset it in just a few easy steps. Whether you remember the old PIN or not, first how to do it safely. Okay, let's begin. At first, open Cash App on your mobile phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon, top the right corner. Then scroll down and tap to privacy and security. From there, select the option that says change cache pin. Okay. Next, on the second step, if you remember the old pin, you will see two possible options depending on whether or not you remember your old pin. First, enter the current pin when prompt, then create your new pin and confirm it to save the changes. That's it. Your new pin is now active. If you don't remember your old pin, first tap on forgot cache pin. Then you will receive a verification code by via SMS or email, depending on how your account is set up. Next, enter the verification code, and for US users, you may be asked for provide the last four digits of your social security number. This is short form of SSN. Finally, once verified, you are able to set confirm your new PIN. If you are a iPhone user, and you are an iPhone user, instead of typing your old PIN, touch ID to authenticate. After that, you can set a new PIN just like before those one. Lastly, once everything is set, Cash Apps will show you confirmation message letting you know your PIN has been successfully updated. Your new PIN activate immediately. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.